Guru channel. So today we will discuss about what is a Salesforce and if someone wants to establish their career in Salesforce, so what are the things they want to know in the Salesforce, like what is a Salesforce, why is a Salesforce, and how to learn the Salesforce. If they want to learn, so what are the resources available. So these kinds we will discuss in this session clearly. So our agenda for today: what and why is Salesforce, Salesforce introduction, and opportunities and salaries for the Salesforce professional, and roadmap to learn Salesforce. So before going deeper into the topic, so we will discuss what is a Salesforce. So simply, Salesforce is a multi-tenant cloud CRM. So CRM here refers to customer relation management. So usually any business to deal with their customers, they need to have their details stored somewhere. That is where the CRM will come into picture. So CRM, there are different CRMs are available like SAP, Oracle, ERP. So similarly, the Salesforce also cloud CRM. So what is mean by cloud? So cloud is a new technology, emerging technology, where we are no need to bother about underlying resources, like you no need to maintain the server, you no need to maintain the database. So this simply like a log into Gmail and you can do your own work. So this is all about cloud. So multi-tenant, what is my mean by multi-tenant? So this multi-tenant we will discuss in next slide. And what is the advantage of Salesforce compared to traditional ERPs? So Salesforce will come with a lot of out of the box features like contact, account, opportunities, which is required for the business. For example, if you take any business who is dealing with the sales, usually these are the objects they required. So instead of developing from the scratch, Salesforce is giving this out of the box features. So you can leverage this functionality to achieve your business needs. So that is where the Salesforce clear winner. So Salesforce will have multiple cloud inside the Salesforce. You have lot of clouds there, like a sales cloud, service cloud, community cloud, market cloud. So what is a sales cloud? For example, your company is something which is selling refrigerator. Take an example like that. So you want to sell refrigerator. So usually if you want to sell a refrigerator, you need to find a customer, and after that you are going to this is a lead. So from the lead, what you are going to do, you are giving you are going to create opportunity. From the opportunity, you are going to create codes, multiple codes, like I am going to give this refrigerator for this amount. So the same customer, he will take a quote from other company also. So this is a quote. So once customer is happy with that quote price, so it will convert to order. So these kind of objects, the predefinedly come in the Salesforce. And service cloud. So once you sold the refrigerator, so usually once you sold the product, if they have any complaints, they are going to complaint, right? So this is where service cloud come into picture. So they are going to create a complaint. So in Salesforce, that is called a case. So the case object is available in the service cloud. So you can deal with this kind of objects for their business need. Community cloud. If you want to develop any website, any portal for outside the customers, outside of Salesforce, the community cloud will help. And market. So marketing team can leverage the features available in the market cloud. Like this, there are some other clouds also there within the Salesforce. And currently Salesforce is extensively adapted by many organizations for their day-to-day business. So Salesforce rapidly growing technology. So in next slide we will going to discuss what is multi-tenant. In previous slide I told, right, multi-tenant cloud platform. What is multi-tenant? So take example of apartment. So in apartment, everyone have their dedicated space, but all the residents, they are going to share some of the common resources like power, water, these things. So similarly, Salesforce also multi-tenant. That means your data, your applications isolated, but some of the resources like CPU, database, these things you are going to share with others. That means there is no security threat because your data is isolated. You are not going to share with any other. Only your system resources are going to share. So because of this approach, you will get better performance and reliability and availability. These things will getting improved. So what are the opportunities and salaries? So there are a lot of opportunities across the globe since many Fortune companies adapting this Salesforce technology, and packages also very attractive. When it comes to Salesforce job, there are two types of jobs will be there. One is admin and the other one is developer. So these admin people, they are going to use the out of the box feature. They will not do any coding. So just they will use the out of the box features and they are going to achieve their business need. So, developers. So sometimes your business will not able to manage with these out of the box features. Sometimes you need a customization. So that means customization means you need to going for coding and all. So where the developer will come to picture. So that means admin there is no coding, developer with coding. But a developer will have both admin and developer knowledge. But admin usually they don't have any development knowledge. So roadmap to learn. So suppose you are planning to come into Salesforce and you want to know where to learn and what are the resources available. So there are many videos and docs available across the internet. So my kind suggestion is Trailhead from Salesforce is the best to read because there are a lot of content is there. So there are many contests there. So you can practice from the Trailhead itself by creating your virtual sandbox, and there are a lot of trial mixes, trials are there. So after completing these trials, you will get badges also. So if you want to learn, you can watch the videos along with Trailhead. So I given the link also. For people who are want to learn, first start with admin beginner because this trial have the admin is the it will give clear idea of Salesforce ecosystem. So once you are familiar with admin related things like objects, permissions, roles and profiles, these kind of things, then you start with development. So thank you guys. If you have any comments or questions, please kindly drop in the comment section. Thank you.